Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is time for another unboxing. This is 2026 Matchbox K case of the Power Grab. So we're going to crack this open and we'll open up any of the ones that are new for this case and take a look at them. All right, let's start at the top here. We've got the Ford Police Interceptor that is old. That's from the J and previous cases this year. So is the BMW 7 Series. And I believe this Mustang was from the last case as well. I like this casting though, the S550 2019 in blue. And this one, guys, this is a recolor for sure. They've had this in red, I believe, previously. I don't know if any other colors besides red, but this one is a pretty nice looking purple. Look at that. The 2023 BMW M2. The black wheels are looking good. Yeah, that's just a nice casting. The taillights, the headlights, just classic Matchbox. Very cool. Like that one a lot. Next up, that is a recolor on the Porsche Spider, guys. I do not believe they've done it in blue for Matchbox, but possibly, maybe they have for Hot Wheels. But yeah, that's like a shark blue almost, guys. I really like that. That color pops. So they've done this in yellow, in like a lime green, maybe red. Let me know in the comments, guys, what colors they've done this in for Matchbox. But yeah, not a bad looking color there. And there's a recolor for the WRX. So this came out at the beginning of the year in blue. Now we've got it in red. So that's a nice color choice. Yeah. Looking good in red. This one was from last case as well. Super nice color on the 914. And I think this is the first time seeing this SL63 in yellow. So let's crack that open. Yellow action with the tan interior, tannish gray. They've had this color in blue, I think, previously, maybe some others. Little defect in the paint on that one. Bummer. AMG SL63. And so this case is dropping some of the Matchbox The Movie main lines in there. So a couple of the stock cars. Ooh, that's a new one. This is 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness, new for 26. So first time seeing this casting. We'll have to see if there's any Subaru guys out there that are interested in keychain from the Subaru Outback. A nice blue. It's almost the same. Not quite, but close. The black wheels, got the plastic fender flares. Yeah, a couple Subarus in this case. We got two of that one. This was from the J case, the Aston Martin Vanquish. Very cool casting there. This one's new for K. I haven't seen this one. The 2005 Ford GT in yellow. Oh, that is yellow. Ford GT, man. Looking good. Like it. Like it a lot. So it's the 2005, so the newer generation. Not the newest, but that early 2000s model. BMW i4 electric police car. Little dumper. A couple more Matchbox The Movies. We got the 68 Ford Fastback and the Triumph Scrambler. So if you want to see unboxings of all of these, I'll have a link down in the description. I got some cases of all of the Matchbox The Movies, the moving parts and the main lines. So that's the first time seeing this. New for 26, a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado police truck. Let's check that guy out. Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Got the police decals, the push bar in front. Yeah, dig that one. PPV, is that police pursuit vehicle? Is that what that stands for? Z71 package. That's from a previous case. Nobody's interested in the Nissan Ariya, I don't think. Mustang Police Interceptor. This was new in the last case that I did, the J case. So, got the Taurus, the old Police Interceptor, and a Mustang one. What's next? Maserati MC12. I think they've had this in white before, maybe some other colors. First time I think in this blue color. I don't know if I'm digging it in that color combo. Too much blue. You got the blue plasticky stuff, and then a different kind of shade of blue on the painted stuff. Not my favorite casting there. And last but not least, look at that, guys. 2 GTRs from Matchbox The Movie. So I've had a few of these already in the last box that we opened of the movie cars. So yeah, so that is all of the K case for Matchbox for 2026, guys. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite car of this case is. I think I have to go with probably the purple BMW, that Spider, and then maybe that Ford GT right there. So super cool cars in this case, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next unboxing video, and we'll have some more hunt videos coming out soon. Have a good one.